Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete a site. So let's go to log into your Wix website first. Now here you can see I have created two websites. If you want to delete one, you have to click on this three dot site actions and you'll find here move to trash. If you click on move to trash, your account will be deleted. This is the first option, and the second option is you have to go to that website you want to delete. Then in the dashboard you will find on top right corner this edit site. After the edit site, beside the edit site, you will find here site actions. Click on this and choose move to trash. Click on move to trash, and if you click on move to trash, this website will be moved to trash and this website will be deleted. You cannot edit this website, or you cannot find this website in internet. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.